go na di koloi go di auctioning go na ding so auction ke ya bo mang pele
go na di auction tse dingwe they exclusively for farmers go na le di auction tse dingwe they are open to everyone if ke la mathomo obviously ba botsa re proof of residency ID book ya gago ba nyake le o tlona le deposit le ro e lokela ntshwengela go accounting ya bona then obviously if I already ntshwengela anything then she'll take it go mo go wena hona ka ke tsona lo tselo gore ntshwengela ke the requirements tse le gore di a batlega gona ra wa so now you'll busy attend the auction there le le taba tsela tsa go ba le le taba tsela tsa also to network with these people I want and also learn from them.
What up guys, Malome Stonoro here at the podcast hub Stone Talk ke podcast ya rena ya mathomo ya ngwaga. I've never spoke to anyone since 2025. I just did a shoot le Komoto, that lady wa lenyalo oba moskone ne tshwantse monna teng a miretse whatever last year and then I disappeared before lenyalo. So, but it's a podcast, it's just an interview. So, guys, thank you for tuning in and following us. By the way, our channel is now monetizing. Refitlile 1K subscribers. So, by the way, today, Abou John. And then, Abou John, I'd like you to introduce yourself and then offer to a brief background of yourself, and then what do you represent?
Oh, thank you, my brother. I can't phone in by the podcasting. Otherwise, we've been installing
busy, my brother, busy.
Finally, so a lot of people know me as Khosi. So we like Sekwati, Khosi, John. So I'm an entrepreneur. A lot of people know me as a guy who's into agriculture, but there's more that I do outside of agriculture. But then, like obviously agri. So I also have a butchery. The household consumers, the businesses, the university, and even date back on my fixing and then about the feeding scheme. That's kind of what the feeding scheme. This girl, the program obviously the feeding scheme. So yeah, you're not like but even prior to the livestock, we used to help farmers, predominantly crop farmers in Mafikeng with market segmentations, the sales plan.
Let's go to you as a boy, because I think the people who hear this podcast who groom a young boy was believing what that grow aba a farmer, a young boy o ilengore a sure a hola o tla ba eng wa bona. So because a lot of people, they've got this thing ya hore hore felletse o le rich o be le chelete o be sharp o be well sorted mo lifeng zaga ya zageng. They have this thing ya hore gore o feleletse o ba monate ko re tswa ko family e monate
Yeah.
wa bona so ne ke nyaka o mfe a little bit ya upbringing ya how history ya how gore o hodile bjang are you just an ordinary boy o leng gore na tsamaya ka maoto le ena o tsene sekolo mo kasi o leng gore o stoutile man o leng gore
yeah fairly wa itse go lela social then go letse mo social went to public school just like batho ba mo social ba re gotseng le bona vele social ke le bile o itse ke rena dikolo tsa tsona le bo madiba ra ba gopola date back no sne the actual infrastructure so we attended under the trees
itumele madiba I remember that
until later on they brought the jalopy buses the buses tse di senyegileng tsela ha bona o tsenela gona ka ra ile ntshwela le di class tsa rona we still didn't even say man I still never say anything plus ne ke le majaiva no so it was quite popular at that time ha bona ne ke tsagala
o go stock o be tha stock
no get that go primary na pe ha bona so yeah I went to a public school ko ka sivele social going station era station 2 to be exact then get tsotlhe ke ditse mo ka sa ona mo ile re ntshwenyela but then direng ntshwenyela ya business le ntse re go sgela ra ma nne la taba tsela tsa mama tsana khona tlhela le maswitsi tsa maswitsi o baisa go sgela ra go tsana khona tlhela le di necklace tsa ditse reng go spaneng sa gagwe re ntse re ntshwela re baisa gona ra wa bona and I guess maybe ke yona direng ntshwenyela direng ya go ba tlo go ipereka later on etswa gona ra wa bona then later on after high school I got an opportunity rather to go to university Tshwane University of Technology where gore ke ithutetse dilo tsa go tshwana le bo di marketing so yeah I pushed up to the BTech level even though BTech showed me flames. I completed my undergrad studies marketing then I went for BTech another subject of the better braga kiki bona ne le jeki China subject data geography statistics so ya nna sa ntshwarela but after that I did my intern with the Creative Council and I worked for this corporate company but ke ntse ke le busy ke spana gona ra man direng ele re jo lot span man legally ka o ile le nyana tse di so then we started off ke stocka dilo from Tshwane market ra ha stock the fruits and veg but even prior to that I did tsa go tshwana ke ba before tsena mo business ngira research ya gago so thoma gona ra ira research tsa rena ke tla ka se ya gago DVV and XX ne ke tsamaya je ke butsa batho le nya ka di fruits nka tla ke deliverela ka weekend ge ke le off
so Brajay, sorry for tsena ka mogare because ke lebeletse gore o tla bonshia because o bolla lo tse dintsi so Brajay, what do you think the importance ya skolo has been mo bophelong ba how because wena hopolo rona beno you went to varsity wa pusha wa bo fetsa ke so after that you are here you are a farmer wa thoma rekisa di fruit you stock go market that's something e leng gore there's an African boy somewhere we here without even high school so more wena what do you think is the importance of going to varsity or the importance of education mo ntho e leng gore wa hira o differa ba le just that grootman or meeting o ya di socialing and then o rekisa di groente o rekisa di fruit each and every time wa tsama o tshela di social we ira ntho e ira but then yena maybe una grade 5 or grade 4 so what's the difference and then what is the importance ya gore motho tshwantsa be le education as much as you have
wait ntshwengela sgela but then ke tlo ntshwengela how ne different e ka le go tshwana le grootman only provided gore grootman le ena open to learning so na ntshwengela go ya sgela so inthusitse ka dilo tsa gore before ke tlo tsena mo gore ge ke tsena mo business I had to do my research about dilo tsa go tshwana le man ithuta ka di customers tsa gago ra check di customers tsa gago gore ba nyaka eng ba tlo kgona go afforda ntshwele o batlo go itlisa gona ra mo go bona ra le o khona gore o ntshwengela o ba group because dijo ke dijo but then obviously go ne le ntshwengela o khona go di class dijo ka di grade wa bona go ntshwengela tla go beefing of which ka bolela ka yena later go ne le A grade le B grade and the C grade wa bona. So even with consumers, you can easily group them into the categories. So it's gonna seem to sit and then networking as well. Right? Also, my was whole out here you only exposed to but then no go tsoma kopana le out here ko maybe out here ko jobe ke sante ni ra khona go tsena go no vitso go ntshwela o dira lang ko siteng ela ya bona gona ra and can also tap into his network as well. So Lily, because this person and you went to the same school and the next time hotel like a brand or product you can communicate it on all levels. Communicate like a level yako outila yako sante no communicate like outila yako social yako kasi. So yeah, and even with lots of the contract as well, because it's also advisable contract and business plans. So when you business, lots of consignment and whatnot. So if how did but then how class get only a little bit of understanding so
Abe, you must remember podcast there and pushing a lot of young people a lot of them this big weights. Once you start saying consignment, you must explain
yeah. So yeah, I can tell us the consignment. So the consignment take a lot some so it's a stock osaka rukane nalo ena or even not ampatela ho ntshwengela ho feditse o rekisa ra wa bona ko fe ntshwengela sebakanyana ka go tla re go fila na ba 7 days ampatela tshotso patela after 7 days or 14 days obviously depending on our agreement ke yona ntshwengela consignment and hape dilonyana tse di so one thing that I've learned obviously post zigela auto motsana mo business ke taba tsela tsa gore o kra o deliver tse motho product fetsa mo deliver lona au phone le the following day o your product ya gago ga e shop so no go tsoma wila tshwere bla ka re tsona le consignment o deliver a product ya gago you ought to inspect it motho mo deliver la inspect le and obviously deliver la shop e wa bona e shop dilo tse di 15 and so so ge di senyegile dilo tse just know that you the one who's going to incur the responsibility at all. So yeah, ke ka mkhwelo re ntshwengela consignment is tshela spanaka yona espanaka teng so ke lo tse lo re bele thuta tsona bele thutile tsona ko ntshwela go sekela but le go kopana le batho ba go le busy o lela le bona re jo ka nte o ira la ndira dilo ya ba khona go fa no mora wa wa tla di system but braka dilo di riwa so na ki ra dilo so and obviously with the information that you got from school you are now then able to make an informed decision.
Yeah.
Excuse.
All right. Ke a utlwa ntate Mr. John. Ro re tsantse re phone tsa rena re di bie go silent because di torpaizisa. Okay. E re nna somore ka ke bie mo yeah. E mo silent.
Flight mode. Perfect. Excuse me. Yeah. So ke ka mkhwelo re tshwengela skela nasi sintshusitse ka teng but otherwise o ne le batho ba ngelo gore they didn't go to school that doing exceptionally well solely because they are open to learning ba ke tata tsa re jo ira la ntwe was so okay bona mpontsho re irwa bang ai etsa feletsa phala le motho le re ntshela o tlazela for yona and passion as well tshwantse be le gore o ne le passion tshwantse be le gore o motho le batho gape kokobetse man be humble especially when you're dealing with customers because anyway but what one about function it
and then moving from bargain moving from hostoka the fruits o rekisa ona mo di VV and stuff people ba bitsa ba re banya ka eng
yeah
you then move to livestock.
No, I didn't instantly move to livestock. So in nileta ba tsa gore e re fetsa ka di fruits and veggie go spanem bar man Tshwantsho northwest, man. Tshwantsho with the Lichtenberg. And at that time I was not even ready. I didn't even know for a Lichtenberg guy, so at first I was, I was hesitant because already I have, business already exist. So ke reason a le bona ba age go ena ro khetile ntshwantse ye northwest ka ra ntshwantse ye o ye Lichtenberg. So thoma ke sa ke la ko Lichtenberg ke re papa ke bona di place ba no o ira la mo di place and ke le business ka ra ke butsisa diamonds ba mbala mo go tsene ra ba ke tsama buru a bona abana ke batho ra and also I guess ntse dilo di be wa se ke tla ro tlhela ka kole go tse GP ga o tshepa ga
so Lichtenberg no ira like Spansen no
system I was working for Vodacom under the Creative Council company marketing the Creative Council. It's a marketing agency. So we're working within the marketing department. So we used to write like the weekly reports. We also used to go into stores, train the sales consultants, the product of Vodacom, the promotions and le go check our competitor weights and we also later they introduced into our center collected the data for the tax shop because they wanted to enter that market as well. So yeah, can tell on every it's an offer play man offer like all collecting offer maybe more social maybe more outing so we are going to offer afia pitori but the shop so tletsa mo pitori ke tsa gago tshwantse e nne wena lo wa di check out trainer the sales obviously stores that are in partnership with Vodacom but we check tshwantse get out trainer the sales consultancy o check or ba ntshwengela ba merchandise tse sharp if finally obviously the issues try go ba thusa go mtshela ba di solve gona kara and with the marketing campaign indoor and outdoor. Obviously, because the sole purpose of the marketing campaign is to increase the brand awareness. So you would identify more basing how to shop currently sales then you would obviously have to come up with a marketing campaign of some sort to increase sales. So can train it's a site on Northwest. Before to take email like I not the plus. So that's why I go dimension about the plus. Why not that? Hey, demand and come you're not even fluent in Afrikaans because predominantly people, white people rather, they speak Afrikaans and they don't compromise. You man what like the Africans so I had to convince them and then I was able to convince. Unfortunately I produce it in large quantity and the producer when they were supposed to go to Botswana and na kwena batho letsi di border ko Botswana but nope arsaditse ya dilo tsa lena and na ba sena go tsama ba ile rekisa di product tsa bona go ntshikela go marakeng solely because of the consignment and the fluctuation of prices. So price ya na mela dia theoga we say product how got you go go reki 15 rand then go tsoga the following day or age market to with product how hit ka 5 rand then I was able to come up with a marketing strategy for few farmers. They initially started off with one farmer, then he introduced me to his friends.
No, what's in taking this young man Otlohanga Northwest because of Spanish Haiku Vodacom and then half it Northwest. The transition more the young man I ran decision or I'm getting into farming because hope will really Spanish.
Yeah.
So that transition more felletsang mo fitloria.
Mo ke a tsena.
Yeah, mo ke a tsena.
Yeah. O ska le already sticking in the business.
Yeah.
So ne setse ke tlhaloganya market o bereka jwang.
Yeah.
Ne setse ke ne le interest ya go rekisa agricultural produce.
Yeah.
But then the difference was the gidi create ko marketing. I was not dealing with the farmers directly. I was dealing with the intermediaries, the middlemen. So ke tsere ke thoma ke fitla ka ra. Ke ntse ka re ke ntse 2 months. Ke le busy ke feta ke sparring ke bona di plus ona mola. So I spoke to this other friend of mine, Comfort. Ke mo tsere jore tsena ba ke so. Ara ejo ke tla wisa go damano mo so ankisa gona ra ke da ke at the time na so produce. Then ka re tsa leng ke bua Spanish ka fetela site bar ke go burung le leng go tsenya ba ke kubasi o lo bula Afrikaans it's quite adamant ka taba ya gore na go tlobolela language ya ga gona go kutlwisela but re le go re communicate ya na hona mola ke mmotsa re man bona na bona ke experience mo lotseng so just having a conversation a thoma go pick up ba di mane ka rone le ntwa itseng and tlantsa lo re ka mo go botsana produce in large quantity with the hope ya re lotsa ga itlo ka dia botswana so no botswana e tswaletse so setse ka ma 200,000 cabbages and how on a plan for tsone so na ke thoma ke tlhela ke presenter plan go botsa re bona na qualification tsa ka di so here's my experience and so I was like okay sure so I carved out my own money children yana ne ke ne le yona ka re John e re ke tsie la mothomo re tsere cabbage tse 20,000 and organizer in cabbage tse o di tloge ka ka mo go tshwane market then it was a success and then the second deal I got to the market it flunked if 80 but then ka se motor if 80 I want another tsare if flopetse nna ke lose it gona then I guess go gona mo le ke thumelo ke ina trust ya gage se le ke mmotsa ona me ke bona product ya rena sa ile rekisa ka ntshwengela I even had to study the marketing
so number 2 fail is again
number 2 if fail is ke gore I'm not really too sure if I should disclose it because the delivery le product and product na ba ithabitse motho ne batho ba ne dila le bona go tswa le market they were happy then after a few days ba re phone ya ba re botsa chief cabbage le na e sharp and the consignment mind you they have to pay you after 7 days or if not 14 days so nna gona mola jo bona o tliste cabbage le na e sharp and he se sharp so ke damage inspector itlile so tshwantse e latlhile cabbage alone ora level na go ile arrange the transport go tloga site la go mafikeng go tla ka it cost a lot of money so ya nna gonna tsa re ntshwela project ya faila so really because the products are not claim gore di ntshwela di khabategile but then obviously because o no go wina this person how you gonna re mo na re lose tšhelete so le ka re wena ntshwela we cover with your own money then product like cabbage tse di setitse la ka re bona are study di supermarket tsa ka gore di spana jwang checkers food lovers ba stocka jwang stock and hand sa bona ke bokayo and ke se level like I wasn't happy ya gore we have over 100 and something thousand cabbages and on go tla 50 go fetsa o 50 more like you still want us to sign a contract that says ska ilo deliver la bo mamang because o tsoma ba deliver la ba
o 50 like 50
no it's 50 mo go di mo 180 or 170,000 cabbages lo fela ne and lo gona mo ro di baise lo ena sometimes di lo nna veke ko ena so I was like man a re tlo rekisa di products I don't know but batho ba get no sa di ntshikela ke re ke re tlo tsa di baki re tlo tsa trucker lo tse di tlo tloga re rekisa go sparking go ntshwela go strategy going to talk to the street vendors we're going to talk to informal markets gore ba kgone go tsa di products tsa re are ye ke no ga re etse re reng and then
at this time o tsena ka mohara ha ba bitse ba re ke farming ya di bialo ke
crop farming
o tsena ka mara crop farming
yeah
gore ke like entry level ya hao
entry level yeah
okay
entry level so ya thoma nna gona mo le nna taba tsa gore ke le spanning le gore ke chase ka pela so bona ke nile bo ma 2 months ra se ke tsena tsona tsa ra ke thoma ke tsotsa go Lichtenburg man gents a re ngilisa go plasela lena nna ke le spanning lena le pick up di cabbage ra la loader so he ke chaisa then ke tlotlela ke tloletse ya tlotse mo gape ka truck lena nna ta tsa re mtshela ra tsa mara o deliver even le fruit go gape wa ne le before ke spanning nna ta tsa re tsogile ka bo mafora on 4 pick up tsia then ra tlhako plasela gore if ne le deliver tshwantse re etse a loader
ko plasing ya lona le khwale
ya ntshile ya kubaso awon
yeah
so going back o direnya ya sgela as well la man ka mo gona rana plus ya gage na sne dilo tsa go tshwana le bo di roaster like go schedule ba bere gore go berekiwa jwang lo nyana tse di so I was able to introduce lo nyana tsa tshwana le tsebe tsa re man ka senya go spanisa are for instance Spanish se leng teng mo polaseng se nyaka only batho ba 10, and wena o bitse batho ba 20 ba tla ba tlo spana, and mo godimo mo these people are complaining about not earning enough money. So why not come up with a strategy say le gore se ba fair to everyone. Bana tsensa if you Spanish se nyaka batho ba 10 ba irele ntshwengela in advance, ba irele a schedule bana so then but then it will be le nna ke tsa ntshwengela majita ko ka sia like 10 bag ke ba isa go polaseng ra a bona ka mokhoki ke ba change ka teng, then bona rena yang perekela bona ke mmotsa le nna phela nang perekela, so even when it comes to payment yang perekela, so ora gona ka tshwana nka se ba pateli ntshwengela. If let's hypothetically I was supposed to pay one person X amount, arare 7,000 rand, what's in 2 weeks ka se pateli 7,000 rand ba botlhe ba ile ro la ntshela ba 20 rand, so ke afford expenditure ka style sona se wa bona. So yeah, lonyana tsona tsona
and then from Kobas you now make your way to the Khomu beno.
Also
Ape tshwantse go polo podcast ya rena is limited to under 30 minutes.
Under 30 minutes,
it means or if we're gonna do this, then we must do a part 2.
We must do a part 2.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sure. So sharp kuba sing introduce ka man tsekela go di brasa high. Bona ina le motho iso a demand ke mo gijimi. So since ntshwengela le taba tsa re ntshwengela di produce tsa rona re gisa go Botswana, and sometimes di tsamaya ka rate tshwantse di tsamaya ka yona. But let's the border, and obviously we're not happy ka taba ya gore me maraka e bereka yang ka ntshwengela site. So the man is a good negotiator, and only clientele e sharponyana e le gore a kgona gore a re thuse re kgona tsamisa di product tsa rona ka pela. Then I was ke gona mo ile re ntshwela setse ke tsene mo bona nna taba tsela tsa re ka di weekend ga ke le off ke ya go bona ra ke chilla le bona ke thuta go lema le bona na ra go lemiwa jwang dirala. So I would literally witness the entire process, you know, from its inception. Or jo di seedlings le di prepare yang I want wirala ne da lonyana tse di so I want. Then later Washella became Okubase Nanelo rentisita a huge piece of land Tabida Mazambana. Then another project that one it failed. Now I see Pika Mazambana Kamkolor Natsoka, the Nale Shop when I know Casabon, but not some of the specifications Sabon. Then I was able to take over that project. Until I became because then I know what Mazambana Avele spinach solely because he believes that spinach comes in such a no wait. In fact, when I since get delay project into la spinach, gets a during ila can patel because cow delay then patela that I took over plus ila and Amazon. But because whole dealer can crops this is not so whole and at that time the city decided to change the span and the city get rated available at Jobona or to a 5 well a high ka 10 11 ya busi go so the city get rated to span so next abuni gore nka survive ntle lo spana
and or rentile nako
at the time yeah ke ntshwela ke rentile ko ntshwela ko working Msiani view ko of town yeah Msiani view so tanga gore ke no tsoga ke ntshwela ne sa perekele I want it was depressed. So I then started to attend the auction, busy attended auctions at home, or even go to the butcheries. So I can partner with people who owns rather people who owns abattoirs.
Remember, each and every time you speak of a big word, you explain it.
Yeah, abattoir. Okay, tell us abattoir.
Yeah.
Abattoir for what was the abattoir game? Abattoir ko keslagis ke go tlhakiwa dikhomo ga go ba pasega dikhomo so ke a o bona dimense ba ke a checka ke ka lebella ke batho ba ile gore business ya bona operator so re sega dikhomo we don't advertise we hoping gore batho ba itseng kana ka ntshwela ka business ya rona ba tlo reka ba so question so now o setso startile go attend the auction yeah.
What I want to understand and what I want our viewers to understand to learn from you ke mang a ka tsenang ko di auctioning and then di-specifications tsa gore o feleletse o ba an auctioner ke eng?
Yeah, over an auctioneer, the person that hosts, but
Yeah, the requirements, I mean.
The require for
yeah, for like me as anga auctioning. So I believe re le motho a lebeletseng ka tsheko ebile ha utlwa question e o ba interested go itse hore mara ko auctioning ka tsena, because a lot of people ba di bona dikoloi ba botsa go rona dikoloi go di auctioning hona nding, so auction ke ya bo mampi.
Hona di auction tse dingwe they exclusively for farmers, hona le di auction tse dingwe they are open to everyone. So hey, go they are open to everyone, but what's that proof of residency. If kila mathomo obviously, but what's that proof of residency, ID book ya gago, banyakele o tlona le deposit in ro lokela.
Yeah.
Go accounting ya bona.
Yeah.
Then obviously if I already anything, then she'll take go wa mo go wena hona ka. Ke tsona lo tse le gore ntshwenyela ke the requirements and say no they are batlega. So now you'll busy attending the auction also to network with these people and also learn from them, because I don't want to, like I said, I'm not that type of person where then I rather do my research and give on so I'm learning from these people. Why and the great why and mind you, ya go kwenela la ona slagisile la lena emna wira la wantla tse wa bona mafura teng ke mayelo mafura teng hela mayelo, so ke ntshela ke secret tile wa bona mafura teng ya mabang ke great eso wa bona e bang ine mafura ke great eso le so motho ba ntse tsa utia tse di ne le client around na business client na mo tlhenele client down. So le ne ke thoma ke approach di clients a ke di butse ona ka mkho, mind you,
so re na re jang like when they feel
le na ke judge le jang
na ke re okay
so because I don't know what to
all right.
Where I guess you more in what's why by Jack in like AB, AB, if not B grade. Then who okay can mention
AB.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, honely AB,
yeah.
Honely A grade, honely B grade, honely C grade. So AB ki khumi lo re ne ka re ya tswa mo A grade ya go B grade.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then for but well gore ntshwengela ga ba itse that much ka dinama ba nagana gore ke ntshwe like A grade because it's soft leon. But it's not softer, you know, obviously compared to A grade.
All right, because somebody said yeah, I remember ke le go lenyalong, he said khumi mkhalabe like o itlhafuna swaga
e jota tsa dilo tsela tsa iwa di jaje le tsa i e tla tsela tsela tsa ya yena ntshekile e ba wa but quality ya khomu le ona gape ntsong le re ya contributor ke feeding our dijo tse we fan tsona our if you velo try feed out Sesotho le ona na maga go tlotsa Sesotho.
Okay, so the question is age doesn't matter. Bila ntho e matter mostly gore we feed a
we feed jwang because only the C grade tse dingwe tse le go di tlhokometse but nama teng go tomorrow okay sorry only the C grade tse dingwe lo re ntse ba di tlhokometse nama teng lo go ya jamola wa intlo wa appreciate le ona e mara ena e fresh e monate and the C grade tse dingwe tsela tsa utia tse ke tsona tse o lelang ka eno dama na o lela ka ena go letso ga nama e ya ntsa dilo tsela iso
yeah ke mogwapo tla tlhafa
ke mogwapa ya ke ntshela ke mogwapa and surprisingly o ne le batho ba ira megwape mengwe ya ka di A grade o soft o ntshekela o soft and o monate lona ga o so go di se go so tlara.
All right, so let's go to taba ya farming ke re farming aga tshwana re farming ke bula tshwantse ke reng yeah let's go to farming because I know what is the in thing whenever I know.
Yeah.
And then as South Africans we have to in a way re felletse re tsena ka mara agriculture I meant to agriculture so what are the requirements tsa gore wena as a black person o felletse o fitlile mo spacing se e leng gore o kgona kry land e leng gore o kgona farma go yona because there are a lot of people ba e leng gore ba farmer like ra ba bona mo hae ba farmer ba irang and then o khathile nyana kae and then government le yona e thusa ka eng those young people ba ileng gore ba nyaka go tsena and yet a bana zaka gore ba ka tsena o na ne farm nyana mola maybe ko di squatter se nyana ra but then o palla go itlhokomela so the roots tse ile gore motho tshwantsa itse gore a felletsa fitle mo pointing e leng gore o khona kry help o khona kry government funding and then ke di institutions tse feng hape tse ileng gore di a thusa batho ba baso.
Oh, okay. Otherwise, everything we're doing it out of our own pocket. Like I said, you know, network is very, very important.
Yeah.
So, on network, I live on about to about to about temper on a motocono, what's a range of I give it I'm not using it. So, got out of the Homutaha, equipment in that rent. And because you have equipment you end up having your own feedlot. But obviously you not but then it involves money. Mara only the program for instance current beef finally the program say the livestock farmers. They're providing them with information pertaining the clarity to feed the for if obviously they want to produce good quality meat and sometimes they offer them the contract because since when I as much as but they are also running an abattoir business, /his business. So subsistence farmers. When subsistence farmers and so on. So the programs they are aimed to help farmers, including the agri-sita. We've been applying Lorona for the piece of land, but unfortunately we haven't been successful. But we never but successful. Being able to network with these farmers and in the not everyone can do how much will you charge me or give you a feedlot in your so like I'm going like a very huge farm. Close to 200, but we never saw 200. So, during a couple of push on keep it committed by obviously, if we are being contracted by X company, so you know that you can just easily go to the abattoir because already your account is active there. We keep for abattoir how we feed it so that they can meet the specifications. It's something meter, then we sell them to obviously those people. Yeah. So but then come young people like the program the current the agri-sita. How many Google ever check and agri-sita I know they're quite responsive even on WhatsApp as well. Or text on WhatsApp or message with different categories interested more in me or then we know what choose from there, then you start learning. They'll also send you videos, they'll also advise you how to more the website and or check so it's so unfortunate more like social so a lot of agricultural activities young people can just easily go there and learn whether the crops livestock.
So your business name
the Maverick Agribusiness.
The Mavericks Agribusiness.
Yeah, the Maverick Agribusiness.
So the Mavericks Agribusiness ke ko social media o berekisa yo.
Yeah, ke the Maverick Agribusiness across all social media platforms.
And website?
Website, no harassment, like a response on social media as our website.
All right. Why is each and every time making me the motor? I try to find the purpose or
Yeah.
Well, so recently from last year, I think somewhere after June, more business and like expect the marketing and stuff. So like I at least destiny you delivery on a silver platter or marketing sure. So another thing like a lot of young people ba career from when I came maybe ba create contact tsa how or ba create social media how mo e leng gore whoever o e leng gore o feel gore o nya go tsena mo sector e o leng mo yona a itse gore o lata mang wa tlhalo ntho ke bolelang because of a lot of young people ba nya go tsena but a lot of young people ba follow YouTube too much if o sena motho go YouTube a tlhalosang gore ho a tsenega then a ona motho a tsena wa bona so ke nya go itse gore wena ke like o prefer go bolela le bona bjang gore or why allow vele that thing
even on social media ke phela ile teng phela ke fa batho e jo bona phone ile ra phone ile romelle WhatsApp. I think WhatsApp is more safer but na go maybe ke busy shapa di interview tsa tsona tsa gago so motho ba rena go phone ra ba bona whereas WhatsApp o share message then obviously ha ke nne le nako ke la available than ke wa mo go wena ra ba bona so number ke 079 23 555 27 yeah
re tlo ngwala mo tlase le tlo bona pila so let's say 3 years from now the Mavericks Agribusiness e go kae re bona kae 3 years 5 years down the line re bona kae
3 years from now ke taba tsa gore we actually looking into opening abattoir ya rona because we try re batla gore e ska nna taba tsela tsa gore tsia mo tshwantse ke tsekise ko abattoir price wa abattoir tshwantse ke tsekise ko ntse la go butchereng le nyana tse di so we want to actually gore rebuild the dilo tsa rona ile gore di ntshwengela di ranela mo gaufi also to cut the cost because honele abattoir you can also be able to create more jobs well-paying jobs and later bona gape le rentshweng not even later man but then re bona setse re create a land mo ile gore land e ke ya rona ra owner re khona go keep as many cattle as we wish le ntshweng la le di poholo tse dingwe tse le gore batho ba ka dithabela go tshwana le bo I started off like before ke tsala mo livestock re jumpile ya dikolobe gape very very passionate ka dikolobe ke di foster na dikolobe ntlantsha lo dintsha bana ba bantši so they're quite lucrative
crap ho bola le mabane ke boletse ka re once re start re bolela some of the things re why is it re feel go re boletse ka tsona because no but these people must know you make your own voice.
Yeah, I make my own bars. I make my own sausages. Bo dilo tsa go tsana le bo di Russian di Vienna. O le mtsako mona ke bereka le ena na ira palo mo le ena azange ka attempt a palo le but ke short ka tsoma ka ga yetsa cuz like ke mona gore we yetsa ba ke na rutile go da di sausages. So yeah. Otherwise everything as far as meat is concerned ke a khona go tiketsetsa including the biltong drivers in Chilbright.
So all these young people ba leng gore ba start the business and then ba nya go rekisa product ya how they are allowed to come to you and then ba tla go bolla le wena gore how can you allow us to rekisa product ya how
100%
because
we open to that.
Yeah, because this channel is more about empowering young people more than anything else. And then I also think in the future we must start the program as our channel more than the entrepreneur the one Victor used to do it but again
for lack of a better word, I'd say the seminars.
Yeah, the seminar. We need to start those. And then I think we're a good way. Yeah, a lot of people, especially when you're in the fielding, more about marketing, and then it's much easier to network like physically.
100%.
Because more than like a scam, like a stock again.
100%.
Women mutaka text on a about this.
And the scam.
Hey, immediately no.
Sure. Sure.
Such things happen.
Yeah.
Such things happen.
So yeah, let's say the program because they can take it at the event. This company American Corner, where I would have audience from di plekeng tse di fapafapaneng tse ke sena kganesa di plekeng tse di fapafapane ba batswa kasi ba batswa disabapong ba batswa in rural areas we talk about agribusiness. Not to say what I know everything. I'm still learning, by the way. Mind you, it has only been 4 years. Solid 4 years, going on 5. So that's one. But then the lesson that I have based on the lesson that I've learned, information including the butcher areas. I don't know what's over the butcher area. I have a choose or ebona, Cosetta, class or ebona, Nana into the brisket, chuck, short, crack, I the pricing as well, because you find a lot of people that buying cattle for their butchery stuff. Something I complain. Coffee, so Joe. Okra di era tsela di yentse di era tsa tswana le gore o rekisa chuck le le steak ka pricing e one ba one o future ka belo re steak sa gago se nang le tsanyana check ya gago le rekisa ka price ya chuck. Do your own market research as well o lebelle gore nama tse di rekisiwa bjang and ska le bala mo go go ne le marapo ka ntse a ma 20 ranta. So ke tsona le tsela sa mosebetsi ka di ka di katanyana profit ya gago. But then if you pricing correctly for a little steak with the biscuit or with the stew, you will definitely get your return on investment.
Dango, ke yeah.
Olla.
O ko jara teng o nya go tsena ka mahara farming, o nya go tsena ka mahara di rekisa di livestock or di lomamang whatever business o nya go learn about marketing. John is here for you. O to thusa ka each and everything. Remember re boletse hore o ka nnetse wa mo texta, o ka nnetse wa mo inboxa mo di social media tsotlhe tsa hae akere. And then for ba ile gore ba nya go o nya go reka khomu o nya go itse re khomu o e rekang e na ne na mentši ho iralang ka yona. Part 2 is coming mo ile gore tlo ya lena go farmong ya hae, and then re le bontshe each and everything e leng gore e re ha ka mola o motho ile gore o nya go byala o nya go tlhalwanya gore mo fertile o bona byang. Part 2 is still coming, and then re tlo tsentsha batho ba ile gore some of these things ba di itse. So wanna just make sure to follow us on the Stone Talk podcast hub. Tango.
My brother.
Buddy.